Introducing King Coco. Coco has a message for all of his loyal subjects, all 7 of them, that it is food time. The first subject to receive her rations will be Uncle Iroh, while Anya and Killua eagerly try to steal from her. Yeah, look at that. Crazies. Given her performance so far, I'm gonna go ahead and rank Uncle Iroh 7.5 out of 10 on the crazy scale. Next up, Anya. She is like way more calm than Uncle Iroh. She does have a minor tension built up in her legs there, ready to jump at a moment's notice. So I'll rank her a 3 out of 10 on the crazy scale. She's pretty calm otherwise. Next up is King Coco himself. Right off the bat, you can see why he's the king. He's the craziest guy around. He's so crazy I can't even put a number to his ranking. Uncle Iroh here is just looking on in terror. Yeah, he's off the charts. I can't give him a number. Next we have Jotaro. Jotaro, he's a pretty chill guy most of the time. Except, he's got some food on his nose, so that's definitely going to count against him on his crazy ranking. Look at his form. He's also like Anya. He still has some tension in his legs. He's not fully relaxed. You gotta be fully relaxed if you want that perfect crazy score. Oh my gosh, he's got even more food on his nose. 4.5 out of 10. The food on his nose definitely counted against him on the crazy scale. Next up is Bailey. She's the slowest eater in the entire universe. I have to give her her own little throne up here. Otherwise, the people higher up on the crazy scale will just try to devour all of her food. She's gonna be here the next 40 minutes eating food. -0 out of 10 on the crazy scale. She's just chowing down. Hal is already begging to steal her food. Oh, look, there's Killua and Furo, patiently waiting. What nice guys. Hal here is doing the same thing as Coco, taking the food out. She's being a lot more calm about it though. She's actually purring while she does it. So I'll go ahead. She's a 7 out of 10 on the crazy scale because she tried to climb up on the hutch and she's taking the food out. Other than that, she's pretty chill. Next up is Furo. Furo's eating pretty quick. He's scarfing that down. I think it's because he knows everyone else around him is crazy. But look at him. He's sitting down. No tension in his legs. He is a 1 on the crazy scale. What a nice guy. The epitome of Zen. The next loyal subject of King Coco is Killua. Killua is not sitting down calmly at all. But I think it's just because everyone else around him is crazy and he knows that. Besides Furo. Yeah, look at Anya right now. Actively trying to steal his food. Poor guy. 3.5 on the crazy scale. He's alright otherwise. Here's Bailey again. This is probably 30 minutes after the original feeding time. I have to guard her at all times, otherwise the crazies come. Like Hal. I built Hal a little makeshift cardboard box staircase so she can climb up and eat Bailey's scraps, because Bailey always leaves a couple scraps. Look at Hal. She doesn't like to jump, but when she gets up here and starts eating her food, she's so grateful. Listen to her purr. 10 out of 10 on the gratefulness scale. And we'll end it here with King Coco on his throne. Ladder, I mean. But Coco declares this feeding time a success. Everyone's fed, everyone's happy, healthy. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Coco will appreciate it.